Hello dear viewers and learners, my name is Enoch Juriely from Eteta TV. I'm here to present an English orientation course. My topic today will be measuring of volume. As we see from the previous lesson, we talk about measuring of length. And we saw the unit, respondent unit to measure a length being a meter. Now, in measuring of length, the respondent unit to measure volume, measuring of volume, the respondent unit to measure volume is liter. Liter or decimeter cubic is the one which is the respondent unit to measure volume. Apart from that, there are other common used to measure volume, that is millimeter or centimeter cubic, and maybe the smaller and smaller than those, which is picometer, and the other which are smaller than, but the main unit used to measure volume is liter. Now, measuring of volume is very important in our daily life. Since we saw that in the last lesson, we saw that the measure of mass measures solidity, mostly of solid object, solid substance. But if we talk about measure of volume, we mean that a measure of liquid substance, a measure of liquid substance, a measure of liquid substance. So though the solid are usually measured by using cubic millimeters, cubic centimeter, or cubic meters. When you measure a solid substance, you measure them in terms of cubic meters, cubic millimeters, or cubic centimeters. That is when you measure a volume of a solid material. It means you measure in terms of cubics. But when you measure the volume of a liquid substance, you measure by using measuring cylinder. Measuring cylinder is a very important apparatus in the laboratory because it's used to measure the solid, the liquid material present in the particular laboratory. If you want to get maybe 2 liters of water, you measure by using measuring cylinder. 3 liters of water, you measure by using measuring cylinder. Maybe a certain substance chemical is measured 2 millimeter of sodium hydroxide solution, you measure by using a measuring cylinder. There are a large measuring cylinder and a small measuring cylinder, as you saw in those pictures above, that's used to measure the volume of different material. Now, a liter is same as 1,000 centimeter cubic. When you say 1 liter is equal to 1,000 centimeter cubic and is equal to 1 decimeter cubic, that is a liter. A measuring cylinder is an important piece of laboratory equipment, accurate measure volume of liquid. A measuring cylinder is used to measure the volume of liquid in the laboratory. And what can I say is not only measuring cylinder present in the laboratory which used to measure a volume, but there are other instruments which are in the laboratory that are used to measure volume of a fixed masses of fixed volume of some liquid. Example, pipette used to measure a fixed volume of some liquids, and there are burettes which can measure a certain volume. There are other apparatus like beaker and the other which are graduated flask, means they have marks for measurement of volumes. These are some of the apparatus which are used to measure volume. The volume can vary, maybe 2 liters, 3 liters, 4 liters, 5 liters, or 3 gram, 2 gram, 2 milliliter, 1 milliliter, or 3 milliliter. They can vary, volume can vary. Now, I want you, my learners, to take measure of 5 different liquid. 5 different liquid, and measure, and then write 5 sentences to compare their differences. Write 5 different sentences to compare one volume and another volume. Maybe 2 liters is less than 4 liters of water. Thanks very much. Again, I'm Enock Juriely from Eteta TV. You are welcome.